So now let's take care of the home page. So it's not going to be much work. We're going to start from the left side. So already they have the hover. Yeah, the only problem that you can see right here is this one. When you hover on it, it takes a different color, or the same color that we have in the circle. So we're going to change that, and also we're going to make this white. So it's actually pretty simple. I can just do this. So it's already the same class name, which is small circle. I'm just going to select the SVG, and we can use the same field so it works. And also we can change like the color. So I'm going to add a new color right here. I'm going to call it 5th, but let me just 888888. Okay, we've done this before. So this is going to be 5th because it's going to be reusable. I can take that, and first of all, let me change it for this one. So it's going to be variable. Okay, this one, and I can take that and go right here and select the dark. Okay, the class name, and then the left home, which is the left side of the home, all of this, and then select this small circle. And I want to change it for all small circles, and then simply I'm going to change the background like that. So now as you see, you can hover on it and it stays highlighted, and that's actually a very nice effect. And you can click, everything is fine, the show list is also fine. So like for the left side we're already done. So now let's continue on the middle side. So the middle side we have two things. I want to change the white from here and the text, and also this one. So I'm going to start from here. I want the icon right here in the circle to be also white. So let me select that. So let me see what's class name. So it's going to be white circle. So it's going to be just like in the same place right here. I can take that, and it's also going to be SVG. As you see, this is an SVG, and now you see it's more white. Let me just show you if you don't see the difference. If I go right here, okay, so let me remove that. So this is how it looks, but now this is how it looks, which is way better. Also, let's work like on this one. This is also can work on the size of it, okay? So maybe we can go back to the size of the CSS and change it directly. I don't want to change it from the dark mode. So let me just see. So inspect. So this is the create story card. Let me take the class name and then go. Actually, I don't know which size we had it. So let me see. So the components we have stories. Okay, so right here. Let me search for that. I can go right here and add the background. Okay, so we had this white. Let me change that. So variable, which is gonna be BG primary, which is white in normal state, but in the dark mode is gonna change to this. So that means I only need to change the text, and the text is simply if I open the create story, I can go to story create text. I can take that, go back right here, search for it. This one, okay, so the color. So maybe I can use variable, and it's gonna be color primary, and save, and that's gonna change it white right here. Okay, I can close the stories, close right here, because I feel like we've done with them. So as you see, we're going fast on this thing. So this one is the same. Okay, everything is working. For this one is fine, you know. Also the hover right here. Maybe the hover for this one is not the right thing. Okay, I feel like, let me just see. Yeah, one thing I forgot, which is very, very important. Let me just show you before doing anything right here, which is glad I remember, because we had this problem. If you go back and move the dark mode, okay, let me refresh right here. So you see in the left side we don't have any hover, because the hover one is simply the same color as this background. So we can fix that by just going back to the home and the left side, and in the left link or in the index, wherever we had this hover one. So let me like change it to hover 2. Okay, and then we can see that's better. So I can also go to the dark, and whenever we change the hover one, I can also change the hover 2, okay, to be the same. So that's also gonna work in the dark mode. So now it's fine, we don't have it right here, also right here, so let's add it there. So let me go back right here, go back to the left link, close that because already have the hover 2. I go to the index and change it right here. So this is also gonna be hover 2. So right here, and still the button right here. So let me take the hover 2 and look for it. Let me just look for it, hover 1. So right here, okay, so we have it. Yeah, and I'm also gonna create a problem for this one. So that's why I told you gonna fix that. Also, don't worry, I can look for the last one, which is hover 1. Let me make it hover 2 for this one right here. Okay, so now we only need to change the background of this one. So you can go back to the size. So let me open the menu and then go to the left size. Okay, so on the home left, and then the style, I can go to the end and then select the left home and then select the small circle. Okay, and we make this background. I've chosen this before, just gonna be an RGB. Okay, and then we can use 214, 214, and then 214 and save. Okay, and that's it. So as you see, now this is actually better. Let me close that. Now it's fine. So everything looks fine right here. Let me close this style, go back to the application, get back to dark mode again. Okay, and now this is, we are right here. So the first thing that we're gonna go in the middle, home. This is fine. When I hover right here, I wanna add like a bit of hover. Okay, so it's actually pretty simple. This is all simple. I'm gonna select the dark, then I'm gonna select the div open post, which is that div, and then when we hover on it, I'm simply gonna make the background like 333, which is a bit of black. So, and I hover, and as you see, it actually looks awesome. So as this is all fine, I can continue. So let me change the, this ones, as you see, yeah, it's a bit black, so I want to make them like relatively white. So I'm gonna go to the dark, I'm gonna select the post action div, and then the icon inside, which is that, and then we can filter as usual, and I'm using invert, and then like 95%, yeah, maybe 90, not too much. Actually 90 is too much, but it's fine for me. Yeah, it looks better. So as this is alright, now I want to like change for the menu. As you see right here, for the menu I want them also to be white. So we can do that by going to dark, and then I'm going to select the post menu, which is the whole menu, and then I'm going to select every single post menu, sorry. I'm going to select every single icon, okay? And also we have some that are images. Let me just show you. So you're gonna use filter the same way, and then invert, and then 100%. So as you see right now, let me open that again. So as you see, it's fine, but there is like this one, which is an image. So I'll also change that image. Like go in, copy this one, and right here this is gonna be the image, like that. So as you see right now, also the image is fine. So like we've done with everything. Yeah, I don't feel like everything is fine right here. You can like change the background of it if you want it to be like a different color. I like it this way, but if you want, you can. If you want like this ones to be like filled white, I can do that for you. Just request it and I'm gonna get it for you. I can do that with Photoshop, and the rest is fine. Maybe this one here, where we have one. Let me just make it 0, just because it's annoying. I can go back right there and then go to the component, then post. Where is it? So post, and then I can go to the index, I believe. Okay, let me just search for it. 1 share. Okay, let me make it 0 share, like that. So now as you see, the home, I feel like the home is done. I can go to the right and see this is fine, this is fine. One thing I just noticed right here, what it was. Okay, so the text right here, it should be always black, okay, or whatever color we defined before. So maybe I can go back to the post styles. I actually don't know which style, that's the problem. Just get that, go right here and then inspect. It's gonna be the post PG. Yeah, let me take that and see what we had for it. Okay, looking for the main one, which is this. Okay, we had the post text, which we have right here. Not this one, the post PG, this is one. Okay, we actually need the post PG text. Okay, so post PG underscore text, which we didn't. So let me create that like that, and we can make the color like always black, like that, pure black, which is nice. And as you see, now we have it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now it's fine. So something also we didn't do, which is the color for these ones. Okay, it should not be like that. Also, it should have a different hover. So let me inspect. So this one, as you see, the emoji icons all in the common circle icon. Okay, div, let me take that and then go back. Okay, so let me close this style for here. Go back to the dark mode, so dark, then select that, then every single icon, and then filter, and then invert 100%, or maybe not 100%, maybe 95, just to make it look better. Okay, that's all I'm trying to do. That's one. You can just like, some people just do dark mode easily, but I want to like go specifically to the thing I want to change and see if it looks the best. Okay, that's it. What's the problem? Maybe you can dehover. So let me see the hover that we had for them. Okay, what hover we had? So let me just add it myself. Let me select the same div. This time, let me remove that, and when we hover on it, maybe the fifth. So background variable bg fifth. I don't know. I'm just trying something. Yeah, it's actually nice, you know. You can change what you want, like another color, but I feel like this is nice. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. If you want, like, you can go like any different color, like 333, which is also a bit nice. Maybe something lighter, like 555. Yeah, this is better, so we can leave that. So for the homepage, everything is done, but we still have the create post pop-up. So you can actually go to the styles for the create post pop-up and just change them there. So let me select that. So that's gonna be for the header. Maybe just go right here, and then let me close the style for the post. Close also the post, the app. This is the index. Close this index. Okay, so I don't want much open, so I can go back now to the create post pop-up. Then the style. I can look for the box header. Okay, and we have the box header. Do we have like for the span? We didn't, so let me add it. So I can go right here, and then for the span I can go color. It's going to be variable, and it's going to be color primary, like that. So as you see, now it's white. I can also select that, which is going to be right here. I can take that, look for it. Okay, the color. So actually, let me just see. We have anything else? We don't. Maybe the text inside maybe may change. So let me do that right and see. So right here we can add the color. It's going to be a variable, and it's going to be color primary. Okay, and you see that's going to change it. Also, let's see if this is our icons or images. So this is an icon and this is an image. So that's all in the box privacy. I can take that, go back to the dark mode, then dark, then box privacy, and then select the icon. And also let me just use filter and then invert 100%. Let me see how it looks so you can see for the image. Okay, so it looks fine. Maybe just 95. I don't want it to be too white concentrated, so maybe 90. It's a bit nice when it's fully white. I don't know. Let me change it for the image also. You can play with the values and make it the most suitable for you. We demand perfections, so you can do it. So as you right now, okay, this actually looks nice. Yeah, maybe 95. I don't know. My problem is that I am too precise. I want to make everything perfect, which is kind of impossible sometimes. Okay, so this is fine. This is also still fine, but the hover right here, we have a problem. So when we hover on it, I want to make it more white. So let me just see that. So what it was, this one, yeah, we can take. So this is the icon. Yeah, let me take that exactly. So dot dark, dot one. When we hover on it, I want the background or the color, whatever. So this is, we can filter, sorry, so we can use invert filter, sorry, and filter, and then invert 100%. Let me just see. Yes, this is gonna turn it black because it's already white. So maybe filter it to 0% to be fully white. As you see right now, it's fine. Yeah, if you go back right, here, everything is still fine. You can select and write. Also the color right here, that's what the problem we use with the text. Yeah, I feel like it should be black, you know. It always should be black, even if we change the input. You know, so let me take that, which is gonna be this text area. I don't know, the post input. I can do it just right here. Maybe I don't need actually to go. Yeah, let's do that. So even it's annoying, I can go back to the post, then the style, then look for it. We actually don't have it right here. It's in the create post pop-up, sorry. And then, so this is for the create post pop-up. Why I don't have it? Oh, so I do. So the color right here, I can make it always black, like that. So this is better, and it's actually more concentrated and looks better. So that's another thing fixed. Okay, you can close that. Sorry, going back right here. And now this last time, let me just see the hover right here. Yeah, the average is alright. The last thing is going to be the text right here. And then I can select the add to text, and then look for it, and just go color, and then variable, color primary, and then everything is done right here. Okay, so the create post popup is nice in the dark mode. Can also, we still have things that we didn't do. Good thing that I've noticed that. So yeah, so let me select the whole div right here. This is actually a bit annoying, I'm not gonna lie to you, I get bored. But yeah, we gotta do it. So let's go back right here, go back to the dark. So in the dark mode, select that, select every single icon, filter, and then invert 100%, or actually 0%. Okay, so 100% looks right. And also we're just gonna change the text. So I feel like the text for all of them, you know, could be changed. I don't know if it's gonna apply, that's the problem. If I go this one right here and look for it and change the color, so variable color primary, and see, yeah, so it changed. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I can just see how it's gonna look. I hope everything stays the same. Yeah, where is the images? Okay, let me select this one. Yeah, everything is still alright, to be honest with you. Everything looks fine right here. You can close. That's it. And you click post and it's gonna work. Yeah, so I feel like we've done with the home and also the quiz post pop-up. We've done a lot of things, so we are closer to the end, don't worry.